welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do your decreases in crochet. There's 4 main stitches in crochet: single crochet, half double crochet, and treble crochet, and I'm going to show you how to decrease on each one of these stitches. If you're following my Learning How to Crochet lessons, today is lesson 7. If you'd like to take a look at all my lessons and the projects that I teach as I teach crochet, go to my playlist, Learning to Crochet, and everything is there in the order that you should do it. So let's go ahead and learn how to decrease your stitches in crochet. When you're decreasing in crochet, you are making 2 stitches into 1. So you have to single crochet decrease or double crochet decrease over the next 2 stitches. So let's do it the single crochet way first. So here's your next stitch and here's the following. First you insert here, yarn over, pull through a loop, and do not finish that stitch. Then insert into the next one, yarn over, pull up a loop, and now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. So those 2 stitches now became 1. So let's do it one more time. Insert, yarn over, pull through. Go to the next one. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. That is a single crochet decrease. Now when you have a double crochet decrease, again, you have to make 2 stitches become 1, but double crochet has a little bit more loops around the hook here, so just watch carefully. Yarn over first, insert the hook, bring up a loop, and then go through the first 2. Don't finish it. Yarn over, insert in the next stitch, pull up a loop. Now here you go through the first 2, and then through the last 3. That is your double crochet decrease. So let's do it one more time. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and get to the point where you have 2 loops. Yarn over, next stitch, pull up a loop. Now yarn over, go through the first 2, and then go through the next 3. That is your double crochet decrease. Now I'm going to show you the treble crochet decrease. Again, 2 stitches made into 1. You start 1 stitch, don't finish it, and then you do the next stitch, and then you finish it. So let's go. Yarn over twice, insert in the next stitch, bring up the yarn, and then go up until you have 2 loops in your hook, and then stop right there. Then we go on the next one, yarn over twice, and then you go once, twice until you have 3 loops on your hook, and then finish it up. Very tall stitch. So let's do it one more time. Yarn over twice, insert, bring up the loop, and go through 2 by 2 until you have 2 left. Yarn over twice, insert in the next stitch, and go pull the yarn over through until you have 3 stitches left, 3 loops to be more specific, and then go through all 3. That is the treble crochet decrease. And here's the half double crochet decrease. I'm showing it last because it has a slight little something different at the end when it comes to pulling through the last few loops. So I'm going to show you right now. Yarn over, insert, you start the stitch but you do not finish. Leave it here. And then here, look, insert, yarn over, pull through. You see now 4 loops on your hook. Go ahead and go through all 4. There we go. It's kind of slightly different than the other stitches because you always had to pull through the last 3, right? And half double crochet, it's the last 4. Let's do it one more time so we are solid here on what we are supposed to do. Yarn over, next stitch. There is 4 and go through. All right, that is the half double crochet decrease. When it comes to how your patterns can possibly abbreviate these stitches, you might see them this way: single crochet 2 together, or double crochet 2 together, or treble crochet two together, and then I missed to say the half double crochet two together. Or you might simply see it this way as single crochet decrease, half double crochet decrease, double crochet decrease, or treble crochet decrease. It's the same thing depending on the pattern, the publisher, and it's the same idea. Thank you so much for watching this lesson here today. I hope it was helpful. Please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll love to have you come back here at my channel and try one of my projects. I do have some very fun things for beginners to do. And even if you're not a beginner anymore, you can still do beautiful things that are easy. They are the funnest and fastest and most rewarding things to do, I tell you. There is this double-sided pot holder, all in single crochet. And then my students also learn how to make these amigurumi here. They are super easy, all in one piece. You don't have to sew any ears or tail. It's all made in one piece. Then finally, we work with double crochet. You make this beautiful scarf here using the V-stitch. And I use self-striping yarn, so it looks really gorgeous. And then finally, I teach you how to do a granny square. And with granny squares, there's so many things one can do. It's really fun. So check out my crochet lessons and these projects that come with these lessons. So check out my playlist that's called Learning to Crochet. And everything there is given to you in the order that you should do them to learn crochet. Or just pick the projects if you already know crochet and go from there. Again, thank you so much. I'm glad to have you here. And please come to Facebook. If you have Facebook, join me there. And you can show anything you make that you learn in my channel. You can show me pictures there and chat with me on Facebook. Or you can tag me on Instagram as well. Click a like too. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.